Mitsubishi battery, lasted 12 years. Battery finally went out. Down the road was a battery shop. They had a Power Pack 60. Never heard of this brand. Bought it, needed a battery, put it on. I was at an orthodontist appointment for my son. This battery, I got 3 years out of. Because I was on the road, I didn't exactly put her in right, but I gotta get this bolt out now. And it'd be like that sometimes. Jaeger Tools wrench set. No problems with them so far. No breaking or anything. Good solid ratcheting wrenches. I haven't really had any problems with these premium starts, the Auto Value brand, their house brand. Seem to be pretty decent batteries. That's just my experience though. Oh yeah, she's solid. She's solid now. There we go. Now I can get to the post office. Don't buy those cheap Harbor Freight vice grips. Get yourself vice grip brand.